When I was trying to decide what to study in university, for me it was actually a toss-up between psychology and engineering. And my mom suggested that I study engineering and basically said I could do whatever I wanted afterwards. So I did electrical engineering, and then I was lucky enough to be hired into a new grad program in the oil and gas industry. And I liked it, but I didn't love it, so I decided to go back to art school. And it was actually while I was at art school that I started doing co-ops at Electronic Arts, and that was my break into the video games industry. With video games, I know there's a lot of people out there that have concerns and see it as a negative thing, but like everything else, I think as part of sort of a well-balanced lifestyle, it can be a lot of fun and there's a lot of great things that can come out of it. My favorite part is the fact that I get to work with creative people as well as technical people, and we get to smoosh it all together to make really fun games that people play. As a game designer, you never know what you're going to be asked to design. There's all sorts of different games with different topics. And when you're given a new topic, suddenly you have to become an expert in that topic. And so the fact that you're interested in a lot of different things can be really helpful because it makes you much more versatile. I've had a lot of mentors. I've been quite lucky. I've either been in situations where they've been offered to me or in other cases where I've sought them out. I think it's really great because in each case they've offered a different perspective, and because of the different companies I've worked at and the different places I've been, they've also all had their own areas of expertise that they've been willing to share with me, and I've learned a lot from it. In terms of offering mentorship, I think particularly as you progress in your career, it's really important to be giving back and to be sharing what you've learned with others. Diversity is really important because it means that people have different perspectives and they consider different things. And there's all kinds of diversity. There's gender, there's ethnicity, there's ability, there's cognitive ability. There's so many I can't even name. But the more you're able to include people from these different groups, the more likely you are to find an optimal solution for whatever problem you're trying to solve. Women in technology inspire me. I have a lot of friends that are doing amazing things, and I also look up to people like Cherwell who's always willing to get out there and be brave, and is also really advocating for women in the industry, which is great. I think what's great about technology being more available now is that if someone's not willing to give it to you, you can take it. And that really changes the power and the opportunity. If you want to learn how to do something, open up YouTube and find a video. That's so cool. I wish that existed. I can't even get my head around what I might have done as a kid if I'd had access to that. It's really exciting.